Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mini twist tutorial for you guys. I am completely natural. However, I am a straight hair natural, so I actually straighten my hair every single week. I do a silk press. I have many silk press routines on my channel if you want to check those out. But today I'm trying to lean more into protective styles, but since my hair is heat trained, a lot of the protective styles or just like natural hairstyles don't really suit my hair because I have disrupted my natural curl pattern so much. But I am going to try this style out. I think I can kind of make it work. So I'm starting off with water, and my hair is freshly washed. I washed it the night before and I just had it in a low bun before I did the style. So it's freshly washed. I added water to each section. Now for my sections, I'm not actually parting them out. I'm just taking really large sections of my hair, like I just parted into 4. And in those subsections, I'm just pulling hair down as I go. I didn't want this hairstyle to take too long, so I definitely rushed the parting part of this hairstyle. But next time, I'll definitely take my time. I think taking my time with it and parting out each section may give me a better look, even though I did like my results this time. So for the products that I used, like I said, I used the water, and then I used 2 kind of gel-based products. I used a curl activator as well as a curling custard from Miele. I will have the products linked below. What really drew me to this hairstyle was how moisturized everyone's twist looked. So that's really why I wanted to do this style. Not only is it cute, it looks really hydrating for your hair. And I think it's because the water, you add the water first and then lock that moisture in with the gels. And being a straight hair natural is really important to me to always make sure that my hair is super moisturized to avoid breakage. So this is definitely a hairstyle that I'll be doing more often in between my silk presses, just to give my hair a break and just a boost of moisture. I tried to do medium-sized sections for my twist. I didn't want them to be too small or too big. Honestly, I didn't really know what to expect with this hairstyle, especially just with the state of my hair and it not being like its natural curl pattern and just so heat trained and just having my pattern be so loose. I didn't know what to expect with this style. Now in the front of my head, I have like a lot of heat damage, so I knew that the front and the back were going to be very, very opposite. So I did use perm rods to kind of help add more bounce and curl into the front of my head. I'm really trying to get the best of both worlds when it comes to styling my hair. I love my hair straight, but I also like the natural hair protective styles. It's just sometimes with my hair being the way that it is, those styles don't look the best on my natural hair. So I'm really trying to kind of meet in the middle with being able to do both styles. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on how I do my mini twist on my heat trained natural hair. If you did, please go ahead and like the video and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials and beauty content. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.